Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming a few essentials: the TV model and OS, then make sure Wi-Fi is stable. A weak signal stalls updates. Next, sign into the TV's app account so the store can authorize downloads. Once done, check there's at least 500 MB free storage. Apps won't update when space is tight. Finally, navigate directly to the TCL Apps area or your TV's app store and search for YouTube. This gets you into the update flow immediately. You'll now tap the YouTube tile and look for an update button. Press it to begin. If the store shows reinstall instead, choose that. It replaces the app with the latest build. While the download and install run, keep the TV powered and the network active because interruptions can corrupt the app. Make sure you stay on the app page until completion so you can follow any prompts. Once installed, relaunch YouTube and confirm the new version by checking the app info. Finally, open YouTube, sign back in, and test playback to verify the update fixed issues or added features. If the app crashes or won't load, clear the app cache and data from settings. This often resolves corrupt files. Should problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the app to force a clean install. As a last resort, perform a factory reset. Back up your settings and accounts first, because that will restore system files, but also erase custom configurations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.